Week 4 is Family-Oriented Fran. Family-Oriented Fran doesn't see the abundance of items around her as clutter, but as her best friends. The many personal items in her sewing room have special meaning, which makes her feel safe and comfortable. Because she is sentimental and emotionally attached to her belongings and projects, to keep from becoming overly cluttered, she needs to remind herself often that memories are not physical objects, but rather in her mind and heart. For Fran to be motivated to organize, she must start small and save the messiest space for last. Characteristics. She's attached to her heirloom quilts and may buy vintage quilt tops. Her grandmother's quilts are on display in her sewing room. She is first in line to get donations when fellow quilters are downsizing their stashes. Even if she hasn't used an item before, she truly believes she may need it someday. She doesn't decorate or organize her sewing room with items purchased at big box stores. Instead, she uses old furniture, bowls, hat boxes, or other family items to organize her space. Fast first projects. Pick 3 to 5 items in your sewing room that you no longer use and give them away. To make choosing what to keep easier, classify items as friends, acquaintances, or strangers. Give prime storage to friends and let strangers go. If you're running out of space to store or display completed quilts or other projects, consider taking a photo of the completed work, then giving the project to someone who could use it. Create a space to sew that feels like a retreat. Make it comfortable and fill it with meaningful things that will inspire creativity. For example, make a pincushion out of Grandma's teacup and saucer. Optimal organizing tools. Shopping tip. Show respect to the items you have chosen to keep by purchasing appropriate size organizers and containers that are made of durable materials. Repurpose vintage items or heirlooms as organizational solutions. Store fabric in an old dresser or notions in an old hat box. Decoupage family photos on a box you can use for storage.